Did Derek tell you everything? And I don't just mean going out of control on the full moons, I mean everything.
He told me about the hunters.
And that's not enough for you to say no. Whatever you want, there's other ways to get it.
I just want to not eat lunch alone every day.
If you're looking for friends, you can do a lot better than Derek.
That really hurts, Scott. I mean, if you're going to review me, at least take a consensus. Erica, how's life been for you since we met?
In a word, transformative.
Isaac?
Well, I'm a little bummed about being a fugitive, but other than that, I'm great.
Okay, hold on. This isn't exactly a fair fight.
Then go home, Scott.
I meant fair for them.